Ryan Kenny. On the 2, Brian Groves. On the 3, Hopper. On the 4, Danny. On the 5, Elijah. On the 6, Doug. And on the 7, Dan.
Can you do that during the race, though, please? Because once I've seen you upside down before the race. That'll work.
All right, we're looking good out there. All right, what's up with this 2 and 3? Why are you guys so close to each other?
They like each other.
All right, you guys want to be close to each other. Offer is reversed. Hey,
Hey, I don't want to tell that guy.
all right, you guys going?
He goes both ways.
Ready? Here we go, racing. Sound and tone. All right, this is Stadium Prep. 9 speed start out of you guys. RTQ, Ryan Kenny, white, yellow, and blue. Then that 2 spot is Brian Groves. Then you got Hopper in 3. Then you got Elijah 4. Then Danny Acton. In that 5 spot, Dumco and Dan. All right. Let's watch this right now. All right, so you got Ryan Kenny all by himself right now. Hopper in that 2. Brian Groves, then Hopper going at it. On the backside double. All by himself right now. And Hopper in that white purple truck right behind it is Brian Groves. That is most out track for the 2 spot between Hopper and Brian Groves. Thank you, Dan, for letting those guys know. So you got Hopper white, purple, orange, and you got Brian Groves in the blue and yellow. Battle for the 2 spot. Hopper getting a little lead up on Brian Groves on the little stop on Hopper, I should have him there. So let's get it. Hopper getting caught. No, that was Hopper. That was Elijah. All right, there, everybody. Brian Groves in this thing. That's with Hopper some breathing room now. So now there's a battle between Danny and Elijah. Not in no battle there. Elijah up on Danny. So Brian Groves, no battle there either. So Hopper and Brian Groves are the only battle on track. So Ryan Kenny's still in that 1, a lot of them on the field, and you got Hopper, Brian, Elijah, Danny, Doug, and Dan. So also battle really between Hopper and Brian's finding guys. Hopper on lid, guys. Thank you. No battle at all. Careful, Brian, that's your race leader. Alright, double battle, so you got Hopper back here. Now Brian goes down to the 2 spot. Hopper has to catch up to Brian. Mistake out of Brian. Where is Hopper? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes, 3 down, 2 minutes left. Let's see if Hopper can catch up to Brian for that 2 spot on that backside double. Alright, the race is on down the straightaway. 2 and 3 out of Brian Groves in the blue and yellow 2 over. And Brian purple out of Hopper. Hopper slowly creeping up on Brian, making that gap smaller and smaller with a minute and a half left. Brian sends it over that back double. Let's see if Hopper can put a pass on Brian Groves there on this. Speed of Hopper, they got Hopper to get Brian some breathing room. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Brian Hopper, your top 3. Up next, two-wheel drive course. All right, 27 seconds left. No battle on the track at all. We're still Brian Hopper. Everyone else start quarter. With 10 seconds left. And that is it. Race to the line. Once you cross the line, we'll be done. Race to the line. Race to the line.
Robert Markowski done. Ryan Kenny done. Ryan Gross done. Doug Ho done.
One to finish, one to finish, one to finish.
Elijah Olney done. All drivers are finished.
All right, Ryan Kenny taking wins in Stadium Truck. Ryan Gross into 2, Hopper into 3, and then Elijah, Doug, Danny, and Dan. Thanks, guys.